So use your voice, use pauses, get loud, get soft. As a former journalist myself, I'm gonna Google you. If I'm putting together a video package, I wanna know if you are going to speak clearly on air and in a video. Because if we have a 10-minute conversation and you're using a ton of jargon and I can't pull out that little quote, that soundbite that I need, I'm gonna need to try to find somebody else. Science communications is so critical for you to be able to connect with your patients, the public, and beyond. Because you can be the best doctor, but if nobody understands you, nobody understands how it can impact their health, you are not going to be able to change the world. Yes, build relationships with science journalists, get your work out there, but also own your own story as a researcher and share the work that you're doing so you don't have to wait for that call.